Okay, hello guys, this is Bola, and I'm basically going to show you what I've done since the non-farm payroll report. If you can remember, on uh, the first one I did, which was the last one I did, which was on the 4th of February, I was able to make about 1,000 just in I think 15 minutes. So afterwards, I placed a couple of trades on Friday evening. No, sorry, Thursday evening. If you come here, just follow my cursor. You'll see the dates that I placed all these trades. That this is the 9th of February. Trading the pound against the New Zealand dollar. I bought, which means I went long. So I had a few. I kind of diversified my portfolio. I did not do a lot of down trades because the market has been booming in the most recently. So looking at this, you can see that out of the seven, or should I say, yeah, out of the 7 trades I placed, there's still one. The only one I sold is in red. So I'm down by 500 now, 493. That's my loss there. But the rest of this is actually in profit. You can see that I traded £4 a point on the 9th of February. And my profit right now is 1,870. Well, it's still going. So we're going to leave this. I'll take profit at 2,000. Then I also bought again the same instrument, and I'm making about 2,429 here, which you can see. Then I sold the pound against the New Zealand dollar, because sometimes I like to kind of like spread the costs, or how do I put it? I do an up and a down on the same instrument. There are some platforms that will enable you to do that, so that's good. Now, looking down here, the next one is the the US dollar against the Japanese yen. I went long, which means I bought to make money going up, £15 a point, and you can see that I'm already in 5,000 here. The US dollar against the Japanese yen, I bought £10 a point, and you can see that I'm already 3,000 in profit here. US dollar against Japanese yen, I bought another one when I saw that the other one was doing well, and I made another 1,000. So all in all, this has been one of my best trades so far, and I thought to share it with you guys. Now come with me to the top here. You can see my used margin is 10,918. It's very important that you have enough money in your trading capital. This is what will help you to avoid losses if you have enough money. But if you have just little money, it's not gonna get you anywhere. You understand? So, but for beginners, you can start small just for you to understand how it really works before you now start investing a bigger amount. So for my total of 6 trades here, my overall profit is 7,100. Well, it's still moving, but it's over 7,000, which is what I was hoping for. And I will say this is an investment gone right. I didn't expect it myself, but it's totally worth it. So now if you come to my positions here, everything is all reflected here. This is 5,000, 3,000, 1,000, 2,000, 1,000, and it's still going fine. The only loss I'm sustaining is trading against the I was trading 2 instruments at the same time, long and short. So luckily for me, I did only £1 a point on the pound against the New Zealand dollar, and you can see what is happening over there now. So if I traded £5 a point instead of £1 a point, I would be 2,458 in loss now. So sometimes it helps if you start with 1,000, what am I saying? £1 a point. And then if the trade is going right for you, then, you trade a bigger position size, you test it. But most of all, make sure that that is what the chart is saying, that you should go up or you should go down. In this instance, the chart told me to go up, but I placed a down trade just to be on the safe side. So I'm going to close this because I'm going to close that loss now. £500 in loss, confirm. So now it's all profit. So I'll try to see if I can take this 7,000. You can see that my balance before was, I think, about $25,000. But now my equity is 32. All because of all of this profit you're seeing here. And I still have a reusable margin of 66 I've used 66.22% of my margin, and my usable margin is still looking okay. So I can even place more trades if I want, but I'll just basically take this. So my former balance was 24,715. And now it's 32. So I'm going to take profit on everything and call it a day. So closing 1,588 now, US dollar, Japanese yen. You get some investors actually telling you that let your profits run and everything. I totally agree with that. But I also believe in taking what you have. A bird in hand is worth two in the bush. So you take your profit and take what you see, basically. So I'm taking the first 1,610, trading £5 a point. I went long on the US dollar against the Japanese yen since the 9th of February. So I'm closing position now. Confirm. And you can see that my balance is now 26. I want to close this 3,000 now. So click on X. Close position. I also bought the US dollar against the Japanese yen, trading £10 a point. I made 3,000, which you're seeing there. Close position. And you can see it's 29,000 now. I'm also going to close position on this 230, trading £5 a point on both. So close position, confirm. 29 now. I'm closing the pound against the New Zealand dollar, 2,408. Close position. And there you go. From 24,000 pounds to dollars to $31,000. And now my usable margin is 100% again. So I'll call it a day for maybe 2 weeks. Thank you.